to be on the move today. Ashesha is here to take us through that list. Ashesha, good morning.
Good morning, and first up, let's talk about MGL and big respite coming in for Mumbaikars because the company has now informed exchanges and restored CNG supply across all stations. So big news coming in, Mahanagar Gas in focus on the back of that. GR Infra projects, positive news flow because the company has won some additional orders worth about 263 odd crores, and this is from Western Railway. So on the back of this order win that has come through, GR Infra projects will also be in focus. KEC International, meanwhile, remember the stock was in focus yesterday and day before on the back of some order wins, but some negative news flow has come in from the exchanges where the company has said that they have been barred by Power Grid for bidding for those projects for a period of 9 months. The company, of course, will be taking legal recourse and they will be appealing to Power Grid to reconsider their decision. But for now, it's a negative news flow. They've been barred by Power Grid for a period of 9 months. Keep an eye out on KEC International as well. RPSG Ventures, meanwhile, on the back of an acquisition where the company has now expanded into luxury fashion. They've acquired 40% stake in FSP Design. The total transaction value stands at about 455 odd crores. The enterprise value rather stands at 455 odd crores, and the company also has the option to buy additional 10% stake over the period of next 18 to 24 months. So acquisition coming in, RPSG Ventures in focus on the back of that. Next up, let's also talk about the textile sector, and this is on the back of PLI scheme that has been approved by the government, where Textile Ministry has approved 17 new applicants under the PLI scheme. This approval aims to boost man-made fiber, apparel, MMF fabrics and technical fiber sectors in India. So big move coming in from the Textile Ministry. The entire sector will be in focus on the back of that. And HUL, meanwhile, Board of Directors have fixed 5th of December as the record date for ice cream business spin-off. So some procedural notices and announcements coming in over here. This counter, HUL, will also be in focus today.
All right, thank you so much, Ashesha, for getting us all those details. But with this, let's also tell you which are some of the other counters that we will be watching out for. And first up, big news flow coming in from Azad Engineering. That stock will be in focus today as they have signed a deal with Pratt Whitney for the development of aircraft engine components. So let's watch out for this particular counter. Indeed, a deal with one of the majors. Infosys, we have seen that record date for the buyback. Now the company announces that the share buyback will open on November 20th and close on November 26th. So let's watch out for that. NSDL will be in focus as well as they get a warning from SEBI for the non-compliance of disclosure norms. So a bit of a negative news flow out here. NTPC Green will be in focus as well as the company has commissioned a new project of solar PV in Gujarat, and now with this the commercial capacity now stands at 7,563.5 megawatt. That is about NTPC Green. Let's watch out for this one. And the total capacity, I beg your pardon, now stands at 7,639 megawatt. CAMS will be in focus as well as the company has announced that going ahead, 5th of December will be the date and the record date for their first ever stock split that will be in 1:5 ratio. So that's about CAMS. And Choice International has also come out with a positive news flow where they say that Choice Consultancy Services acquires 100% of IOLOSA consultants, adding more than 200 crores of live orders and 200 plus of engineers team. So that's the deal announcement coming in from Choice International. And lastly, tech major TCS will be in focus as well, because they have signed an agreement with the global logistic company, that is NHS Supply Chain. They have selected TCS to transform the healthcare delivery using the AI and cloud in a 5-year deal. So these are some of the counters that we will be watching out for in today's trading session. All right, lots of stocks to watch out for.